Good afternoon, I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. Goldman Sachs has upgraded Philippine stocks to overweight. Bloomberg reports the American Investment Bank raised their recommendation after the benchmark stock index closed 1.8% higher Friday, leading gains among Asia's major equity gauges. For the year, the Philippine share prices have risen 3.5%. Investopedia says an overweight investment is an asset or industry sector that comprises a higher than normal percentage of a portfolio or an index, and an investor might choose to devote a greater portion of their portfolio to a sector that seems particularly promising, or an investor might go overweight on defensive stocks and bonds at a time when prices are volatile. Philippine shares starting the new trading week on a positive note. The benchmark index climbed 1.27% to close at 67.61. Total value turnover stood at 5.8 billion pesos, advancers beating decliners 97 to 94. Ayala Corporation contributed the most to the index gain and had the largest move, increasing 6.83%. The country's banks can now begin interest rate swap transactions. The Bankers Association of the Philippines has launched an enhanced peso interest rate swap market aimed at improving loan pricing and boosting liquidity. This initiative is supported by 16 market-making banks, including BDO, BPI, Citibank, and JP Morgan Chase. 5 banks will also serve as regular market participants, among which are BDO Private Bank and Maybank Philippines. This move is expected to strengthen local yield curves and improve the pricing of short-term credit instruments. Ultra-billionaire Han Si drops 142 million pesos on additional shares of China Bank Corporation. The CBC chairman recently snagged a total of 2.5 million shares at 57 pesos each. He now has a total of 10.38 million shares worth 582 million pesos in CBC. This move comes as the bank's stock hit an all-time high of 61.40 last month, 82% this year alone. After a series of hikes, fuel prices are going down tomorrow. The cost of gasoline will decrease by 85 centavos per liter, diesel by 75 centavos per liter, and kerosene by 90 centavos per liter. The Energy Department says the rollback is due to forecasts of weaker oil demand. Over now to the Trump 2.0 cabinet. Brendan Carr, a critic of the Biden administration's telecom policies, named chairman of the Federal Communications Commission. Carr is a veteran Republican regulator who has publicly agreed with Trump's promises to go after big tech and punish TV networks for political bias. He's a harsh critic of the SEC's decision not to finalize nearly $900 million in broadband subsidies for Elon Musk's satellite internet unit Starlink. Carr also wants to regulate big tech like Apple, Meta, and Google, setting up a possible fierce battle with Silicon Valley. And before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. Those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. Stay tuned to BNC on Free TV Channel 31, Channel 24 on Cignal, and on our website, bnc.ph. Thanks so much for watching.